In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a cumulative line chart in Power BI to compare trends effectively using DAX. This is particularly useful for visualizing how a particular metric, like sales or the number of orders, accumulates over time, allowing you to compare actual performance across different periods or categories. Before we dive into creating this cumulative line chart, let's set the stage with what you'll need. First, you'll require a fact table, which includes a date field alongside the measure you want to accumulate. This could be any metric: sales figures, units sold, or order counts. Additionally, you'll need a date or calendar table that spans a continuous date range. It's vital to ensure that this date table is correctly related to your fact table for accurate data alignment. Lastly, it's essential to determine what you wish to compare. For example, you might be looking to analyze cumulative performance for the current year versus the previous year, or even explore cumulative results broken down by different categories. Now, let's move on to the core task: creating a simple cumulative measure using DAX. The primary DAX formula we're going to walk through serves as a pattern for generating what's called a running total or cumulative line. The formula you'll use is fairly straightforward, but powerful. It starts with defining your cumulative measure using calculate and sum functions. The basic form looks like this: cumulative measure equals calculate, being followed by the sum of your measure from the fact table. Here, the sum function serves as your primary aggregation engine, taking all the values from the specified column in your fact table. Next, you wrap this within the calculate function, which allows you to modify your filter context. The magic happens in the filter function, where you use all selected on your date column from the date table. This part ensures that the cumulative sum respects any slicers or selections applied to your date range, maintaining the proper context up to the current date selected or visualized. Finally, you add a condition to sum all dates up to the current date point on your x-axis by defining date table date less than or equal to max of date table date. This ensures that the cumulative measure doesn't just accumulate indiscriminately, but adheres to your specific timeline context, providing a meaningful running total for each point on your chart. By following this structure, you establish a dynamic and responsive cumulative line that represents your data trends with clarity and precision. With this setup, you'll be able to effectively illustrate cumulative comparisons across different periods or categories, offering valuable insights into performance trends over time. I hope you found this guide to building a cumulative line chart in Power BI insightful and, as always, happy analyzing.